A worker was working in a vehicle repair workshop. He was going to inflate a truck's tyre. While inflating, the tyre suddenly burst and he was struck by the bursting air. His head bumped against another vehicle nearby, causing serious injury, and he died. What went wrong? Before the inflation, the tyre was not inspected, resulting in a failure to detect its damage at an early stage. Besides, a gauge fitted with a pressure regulator was not installed to the air hose. While inflating, the defective tyre could not hold the inflated pressure due to excessive inflation, and it burst. The fatal accident happened as a result. How to prevent the accident? Before inflation, check tyres for signs of damage. While inflating, use a suitable clip-on air chuck, an inline valve and a gauge fitted with a pressure regulator to ensure the inflating pressure of the tyre will not exceed the value recommended by the tyre manufacturer. The hose should be of sufficient length so that workers inflating tyres can stand clear of and keep a safe distance from the trajectory danger zone. Suitable and secure protective barriers should also be set up in front of the tyres to be inflated. Safety is a shared responsibility. Let's join hands to make the workplace safe. Take adequate safety precautions and work safely.